Hello everyone, welcome back to this playlist of machine learning series. In the previous video, we've looked at data cleaning before having to train a machine learning model. Let's make a little more easier for a machine learning model to understand data such as textual data such as red, blue, green, or any other color or sizes like small, medium, large. So here I have a small data set which has color, size, and price to it. So red has a size small red and a price of 100, blue with medium 120, and blue with another 130. And there are two ways to convert textual data to some sort of an numerical data or some sort of a numerical data, so that this numerical data conversion would make the machine learning model easier to compute and calculate results, right? So we might in this case, if you see, we might want to say um, this is the data frame that we are looking at. So there are few things, like there are two steps. One is an ordinal encoding and another one is one hot encoding. These are the two methods that we use to convert textual data to a numeric kind of representation. So how we do that? First, let's look at ordinal encoding. So small has a value of 100 and medium has a value of 120 and 130. Large has a value of 150. So the transformation for this goes this way. So there are two medians, 1 and 1. So we simply convert wherever we see a median value to 1 and 1, and small values to 0 and large values to 2. Let's say if we have another category of extra large, we might want to segregate it as ordinal value of 3. So that is about simple ordinal encoding. So let's say once we have more number of segregations, like blue, green, or any different colors, maybe terracotta or any different colors that you might not even have heard of. So what we can do is we can split them into separate columns and we can have them marked as one, or the specific row item as one. For example, this one and this one, the item 3 has a here 1 and here. These two are of colors blue, as you see here, and that's why it's getting a color of blue here, right? It's just about instead of having to represent in column, we are just taking it as a matrix representation, or moving the rows to columns and marking the specific row items to 1. And the other ones, like 0 had a color of red, and red is here in this column, and this gets a value of 1. Okay, so next is with respect to uh, so yeah, that was about it. And these are the two techniques to convert a textual data to a numeric kind of representation. This would make a machine learning model train a lot more better and easier, right? We know that machines always computes with ones and zeros, and this is one other way to make its life easier. So here what I'm also doing is uh, combining or dropping these columns and just using the one hot encoded converted columns, as you see here, with ordinal representation of size. So that's about categorical attributes and the way to convert them to textual data. And here I have few practice ideas. Maybe we can also convert size to one hot encoding. Like, let's say maybe we can remove all of these size ordinal values and move them to column based one hot encoding method, with columns where it can show size of small, size of medium, size of large, and it can have one something like that. So hope you get the idea. So you can try all those things out. right? We will use them practically as we work along in our practice projects or in upcoming videos. But know that these are two methods for converting categorical attributes to numerical values, right? And hope you found this video helpful. You are enjoying these series. Please do share it to anybody that is interested in learning machine learning. Until next time, thank you.